Hello, everyone. Welcome to our new live streaming session. Welcome to our new live streaming session. Today, we'll use the 15 minutes chart strategy. As usual, we are playing the tournament. Let's put some high payout pairs. I'm trading OTC most of the time. There's a lot of, discussion or controversy surrounding the OTC pairs. I think it's all complete BS. Most of the way I make money is by trading OTC. I don't see any reason why there are manipulations, as some might want to say. This is all about these fake gurus justifying their losses to their audience. They blame OTC. And I've seen one of the biggest, you know, charlatans on YouTube and Telegram blaming the OTC for 3 months in a row of losing back to back. And then he switched to the usual market, the live market pairs, and he lost as well. So what now? Is the live market also manipulated by the broker? That's complete rubbish. Sometimes, experienced traders know that manipulation can happen everywhere, and most notably in the live market, especially the Euro USD pair, which is the most manipulated pair on planet Earth. So, that being said, let's jump right in. Also, I want to let you know if you have any questions, you are more than welcome to drop them in the live chat or in the comments box. I'll answer you live. Or if you are watching the replay, you commented on the video, more than happy to answer you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. So let's set up the expiry to 15 minutes. And also enable the timer, disable auto scroll. Let's jump right in. Let me also reduce the expiration time, as we'll be taking trades for the remaining of the candle, the 15-minute candle. Too much downward momentum over here. The Russian pairs, I usually stay away from the Russian pairs. Very jumpy candles most of the time. Consolidation here. Let me see this one. Okay, if it gives me a push to the downside, I'll take a buy on this. I need more. I need a decent push somewhere around this area. Somewhere around here. I'll take a buy trade. Or if this candle here closes somewhere around here, we might take a buy on the next candle. If you are joining in just right now, we are trading live on Pocket Option. 15 minutes strategy, 15 minutes chart. I'll be more than happy to get to meet you guys. I'm building a binary options trading team who also trade Forex and gold, Bitcoin on this channel. I'm Mark, living between Dubai and Beirut. So if you can drop me your locations, your countries in the live chat box so we get to know each other more. This is an open Q&A as well, so if you have any questions, please feel free to write them in the live chat. All the links and info you need to join our team is in the description box and in the live chat box as well. I think I'll take a buy here. A bit risky. I'll take it nevertheless. Let's find something else. Okay, this is this could be a nice rejection area. I'll take a buy here. I'll take two more if it keeps on pushing to the downside. Two more. You are in a general downtrend, but I allow myself to take some additional risks due to the fact that we are not using real money. This is a tournament, so we can do that. This is beautiful. We have a beautiful supply zone over here and the rejection area. I love it. So let me adjust the expiration so I can take a sell trade on this one. I need a push to the upside. I'll pick one here. So we started with 100 points. Let's see how it will go. If it gives me a push to this area over here, I'll take two more trades, two more sell trades. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to use the live chat. I'll answer you right away. If you have questions about the strategy that we use, money management, risk management, what is binary options? How is it different than Forex and crypto trading? Because you have to have a different mindset when tackling the binary options market. It's different. It's of course it's the same concept. You can use supply demand, you can use support resistance, breakout, you can use price action, you can use all the strategies that you use trading Forex and crypto. That said, approach it in a different mindset. This one is playing beautifully. 4 more minutes. Let's see how it goes. For this pair, I need a push. Look at this, guys. Here we have a strong demand zone. Don't fall for traders draw a line as if the line is, some sort of a godly inspiration. Let me tell you something, okay? And put it in your head and think about it. Market makers, the people who are moving this chart or any other chart, are not retail traders, okay? People and institutions who are moving these pairs are not us. They are the big banks, hedge funds, liquidity providers, all sorts of big guys moving the market. So whenever you see a trader drawing a line as if it is, the sacred scripture and this defines everything that's going to happen in this pair, that's complete BS, to tell you the truth. You have something called zones. This is a supply zone, all of this area, not a single line. Okay? So you will tell me, okay, Mark, so why this zone is very important since it's not us who's moving the pair. This zone is important for one reason: price. When you see an area such as this, why is it a supply area? Because the big banks and the market movers like the sellers of of the big banks who wants to sell, and the market movers who want to sell like this price over here. It's nothing more and nothing less. It's not about the line that we draw on the chart. So here we have historical data showing us that the sellers, they like selling from this zone. And look what happened over here as well. And it's rejecting from here as well to the downside. Simple. It's a story. I guess I'll take two more here. Let me see. 1 minute and a half. That's a bit risky. I'll take it. Nevertheless, I'll take two to the downside. We need a push over here to make it clear. 1 more minute left. Don't want to be losing that tight. All right, I'll take three more here. Four, actually. Okay, we lost one here. We need a decent push. Since this is a tournament and the money is free, you can take risk as much as you like. All right. Since early morning, the market is a bit, strange. Yesterday in our VIP trading group, we had 100% win rate, 83% win rate. Today morning before this live stream, we had a rough day. It's natural. It happens. the most important thing is to end your week and month profit. These are doing great. All right, we still have four more. We need the momentum to keep on going. 11 minutes left. It's going beautifully. You see, this is we just played the supply area over here, and it went beautifully well. So we lost some, we won some. Whoops. So we are now 15 points up, 15% in less than, in a 15 minutes trading duration, which is great. Let's look for more. All right, I like this. If it gives me a push to the upside, I'll take it. I'll explain why. Let me set up the trade. See here, we have a support resistance line. We have a short-term downtrend. The pair is in an overall downtrend. Let me see the higher time frame. I usually check the 1 hour. Okay, fairly to the downside. Let's go back to the 15 minutes. I need a push here to this area. I'll take a downtrend. I down trade, a sell trade. If you are watching us, please hit the like button. It will help us, reach more people on YouTube. It will help the algorithm. So this was a beautiful trade here. We missed it. Let's wait and see. I'll check something else. I'll put an alarm here. If it goes back to this area, I'll take a trade. Okay. This is a bit risky. I won't take it. All right, we have a zone here. We have a seller's area. If it reaches this level, I'll take a sell. Put an alarm here. And let me also adjust the expiration time. Hope this is clear. I hope you are learning something. If you have any confusion or questions, please use the live chat. I'll answer you right away. Euro JPY, I love this. Huge buyer's momentum to the upside. Yesterday we took a beautiful trade on these. Even though there's a gap here, so it might reject. It might reject from here. I'll take a sell on this one. It might reject from this point here. Let me put the line here. Okay. So we took a 10 minutes. Why I did this? You see, there's something called gaps. When you have a green candle like this, let me show you this. Okay, you see a green candle, all right? And then the opening of this one had a gap to the upside. This gap to the upside usually means that this candle will reject at some point in time, or it will drop to the downside. So here we took a very beautiful trade, a very beautiful sell with a lot of safety margin. What do I mean by safety margin? So you can easily take a sell trade from this point at the opening. However, if you can secure a sell position, the safety margin, the better price over here, you can easily take it. Let me see this. It reached a point. All right, I'll take a sell over here as well for 9 minutes. Let me go back to the Euro Japanese. Okay, so as you can see, we use two level of confluence. One is we have the gap. Once we have a gap up, one confirmation is we have a gap up over here. Took a sell position to the downside. It's playing beautifully. I don't think we might lose this one. And also, we took a trade here on the Saudi Arabian Riyal versus the Chinese Yuan. I might double down on it if it goes further up to this area. Let's see how it goes. Beautiful trade over here. Don't know if you noticed, I'm not stressed. I'm cool. I'm taking the trades as they appear. Whenever I see a setup following my strategy, I keep my cool. I stay disciplined. I wait for the best entry points. I take the trades, and you wait for it to play out. Most people lose in binary options. I'll give you a scary statistic. 90% of binary option traders lose their money in less than 24 hours. Complete bankruptcy. Why? Because it's easy, you know? Clicking buy and sell and choosing an expiration time is easy. However, if you train well, if you have a strategy, you back tested it on demo, you forward tested it on demo for 3 and 4 months and even more, it is only then that you can transfer to real money. And option two, you can follow the signals or the trades of a professional trader just like me. Um, I have the guts to trade live in front of all of you. I've been doing it for some time. We are winning almost every time. Uh, we are achieving around 72% win rate in our VIP Telegram signals room. So you have nothing to be afraid of. You can earn money while you are learning. We offer coaching services as well. You can check everything that we can help you with in the description box of this live streaming on YouTube. This is also going beautifully well. Let's look for something else as well. Let me adjust the expiration time to 5. Okay, here we have a clean break of this resistance area. It might be a reversal to the upside. We have buyer's pressure over here. We have a very slight gap to the downside. We're a bit late on this one. We're a bit late. Not risk it. Let me see what's going on here. I might take two more. Oh my goodness. A Marubuzu. It's a ranging market. I prefer not to trade when I see this. When I see this sort of consolidation, I prefer to stay away. However, we might take a sell trade here. This is a very powerful bearish candle. If it closes like this is a Marubuzu, which is the most powerful bearish candle you can ever see on a chart. If the next, if the opening of the next candle shows me a gap to the upside, I'll take a sell trade here. In the meantime, let me see what's happening on the Saudi Riyal. 3 minutes. It's going fine. We might lose it. This one is guaranteed 100% winning. The Euro Japanese. Let me see this. Very powerful. We still have, it still might drop to this level, demand area. Usually, after a Marubuzu, one of two things might happen. You might see a continuation. You might see a continuation of the seller's momentum, or you will see a slight retracement the next 15 minutes, and it will continue going back to the downside. So let's see how the opening will be. I guess I'll take two more. I'll take two more trades here. The sellers are strong, but I need a slight additional push. Come on. Come on, I need more. Give me more. More. Alright, I'll take it. I risk it, no problem. So let's adjust our expiration time to 15 minutes. Let me take, I'll take three more here. Powerful, very powerful. You don't see, you don't see this candle every day and on every chart. When it happens, it signals a strong bearish momentum. I need to see the opening. Even though we have a demand zone here, I'll see if I will risk on it. Euro Japanese in the bag. I'll take, let's wait a little bit. I don't feel safe taking a sell trade over a buy position here. It's a strong demand area. We'll win those three, most probably. I'll take a sell here. Beautiful. All right, we got it. Okay, let me see here. This is a tricky trade. I might go for more to the downside, but I need more pullback. I need a decent pullback to the upside. I will take two more entries on this one, two more sell entries. For the time, let's wait and see if it will breach this very powerful support line, support zone. Okay, let's look for something else. All right, see that buyers are here. Yeah, strong buyers momentum. I'll take a buy if it comes back to this zone. Here, I'll take a buy. Let me put an alarm. All right, I'll take one trade to the upside. I'll take two more if it comes back down and breaches the green line here. The euro pound is doing great. To reject normally, it's normal to see rejection from this point. See that? It's rejecting beautifully. If you are watching me, I'll go for 5 minutes, but I will keep the screen. Which trade do you want to see? Which trade do you want me to keep showing on the screen? The pound USD or the euro pound? Tell me please in the live chat. Which one do you want to see playing out? I'll have to go for 5 minutes for an emergency over here. All right, I'll keep this one for you. I'll keep this one for you to watch. Let me mute. Okay, guys, I'm back.
Okay, guys, I'm back.
So let's see what happened here. Okay, one win, one loss. Beautiful. I'm okay with that. So we are 20 points up. See, this was expected. After the Maribuzu, you get usually a retracement or a continuation. But since we have a strong demand zone, here we got ourselves this beautiful push to the upside. Okay, let's find a couple more trades. All right, I like this. Okay, it might reject. We will see a rejection from here, from this area. However, this is a very powerful bullish candle. So let's wait a little bit more. I'll put an alarm over here. Okay, let's see the trend line. We have a clear trend to the downside. See that? Common rejection points all over the place. Lots of sellers pressure. We also have a potential trade. We have a potential sell trade on this one. Let me bring it over here. Bring this one over here as well. See, it's already rejecting. You know, the fact that you have a zone, it's not, a rule set in stone. The price might shoot, the price might easily, shoot and go back up to the upside. So this is why you always have a risk factor. No one can guarantee a trade or a result of a trade. So that's why whenever you see someone claiming 90% and 100% winning rate every single day, that's complete BS. Don't listen to those freaks. Refresh the page. Okay. So where is it? All right, it's here. Okay, I'll take this one. Let me see this. Take a 4 minutes. Sell. It's risky, but still I wanna take it. JPP that's it. Oh my goodness, 76% payout. No problem. Always keep an eye on the payout. They keep changing the payouts of the pairs. It's something related to the liquidity provider of the broker. Nothing to be, worried about. Just keep an eye on it. I wouldn't have taken this trade with a 76% ROI, but anyways, let's see how it goes. Now here, we see a rejection from this point. But look at this. This is beautiful. See all this upper wicks or shadows? Huge, huge seller's pressure. Let's see, on the opening of this one, of the next candle, we'll take a trade depending on what's gonna happen. Okay, this is a risky trade. Let's see the opening. We'll decide accordingly. The pound Aussie is doing well. It's gonna go. I'll take a buy on this one. I'll take a buy on this one. If it reaches any point here, I'll take two more. Okay, that's a shame. Alright, I'll take two more here. 14 minutes. If it comes back down even further, I'll push on it big time. Since we are, trading the tournament, not risking anything from our own pocket, I'll go for it full power. Let's go. One, two, three, four. I'll even go for four more trades. Let's wait. Right, I'll go for four more. So we either come back to the game full power or we lose the tournament for today. Come back tomorrow. No issues. Just to give you a note, I'm taking a bit of. I'm not taking my full time to analyze. Excuse me. That said, I'm trying my best to show you how I analyze what is the strategy that I use. So if you want to join us, you know what we are doing. The thing you are seeing here, these, we don't do these with real money account. Never. Okay? We only do this as we are trading the tournament thing. But in my opinion, this thing will reject to the upside, which is happening right now. We still have 11 minutes left. I think we'll see the same behavior of what happened over here. I'm okay. I'm perfectly fine if you win those over here. If we win those, I'm perfectly okay with it. Those three here will be a plus. So let's see. 10 minutes left. This is the last setup for this session. We'll wrap it up after we see the result. Quite confident we'll not, lose it on this one. Buyers are rejecting. At some point, sellers will stop pushing, Um, the market is so similar to our, daily lives. So if you are a buyer and you see the seller no longer, if you are a seller and you see the buyer keep on pushing to buy from you at a certain price, at some point you will say, okay, let me stop giving him more discount. If he's that aggressive, let me stop giving him discount. Let's see what happens. So the buyers, since they like the price, they will keep on buying and will push the price up. Basics, very basic. The market is very basic. If I am seller over here, I will stop selling since I see they are so eager to buy at this point. If if you have questions, this is your chance because this is our last setup. So we still have 8 minutes till this trade is over. It's doing fine, perfectly fine till now. I'm confident we'll end the session in a huge win. Of course, when live trading, this is over trading. You know, as you can see here, 7, 8, you have 11 positions. We don't do that with real money. I was confident in this position, so I doubled down on it big time. We need the buyers to keep on rejecting. Come on, it's not fair. Logically, the sellers shouldn't be selling here. It's illogical. Let's wait and see. I think we might win the bottom trades here. 8 minutes is a lot of time, so it's still got room to breathe. Come on, come on, buyers. Never underestimate the last minute or two in binary options. Miracles can happen and disasters as well. So you have to keep your money and risk management in check all the time. Okay, come on, buyers. Come on, buyers. If we see another decent rejection and push to the upside, I think it's gonna be in green for us. We need a powerful push. Let's wait for it. Here it goes. Come on, a little bit more. If you have any questions, this is the time. Use the live chat. Happy to answer anything you need. Those here are beautiful. Here. It's a shame if we lose those. Come on, we need a decent push. If the price pushes back up to this zone here, let me mark it in the pen. If the price comes back to this area, okay, this area over here, we might guarantee those 8 trades here. Okay, so let's see if it's gonna happen. Come on, that's it. I don't see any reason why the sellers will keep on selling if the buyers are stepping in this powerfully. If I am the seller, I would stop. I can easily get a better price for my USD, you know, PRL OTC. Come on, buyers. Three more, 3 minutes left for these. 2 minutes left for these. The first three are losing trades, of course. We still have a chance with 8 positions. Come on. Yes, come on. We need more. Come on. That's a shame. Really. Don't see why. It's okay, you know? These things happen. It's a tournament anyway. Play money. We lost nothing from our own pocket. So, this is why I tell you always practice and forward test and back test using the tournament, which is free of charge, and the demo account. We still have 1 minute left on those. Don't think we're gonna win. Okay, guys, so see you tomorrow with a new session, as always. Anything you need to join us with real money is in the description box. Please, if you are still watching till now, hit the subscribe and the like button. We highly appreciate your support and see you tomorrow.